So it almost acts, it's like I'm almost on Mars. All right, so we have ourselves another nice little view spot of these paint mines. Look at the color. What's going on, YouTube? You can see we finally got some snow. I'm currently at my place. I haven't seen snow pretty much for months. But yeah, we had a nice storm come in. I'm gonna actually get ready to go and show you guys something pretty cool down on the eastern plains. So stay tuned for that. I am gonna try to figure out my diesel heater real quick. I got a new gas cap. So hopefully that solves the leakage that I've been having. But let's get this moved real quick. All right, let's see if this new cap will actually work for my diesel heater. Actually, it looks like the same one. Is it not the... No, it is. Okay. Alright, so... Ooh, that's looking promising. Let's see if it leaks. So I'm going to leave it on its side for a little bit, but this cap that I had, it's this has no good seal in it. I think it's right here is leaking. I haven't cleaned off the snow on the 4Runner for a while. It's weird cleaning it up. It's nice to see snow back in Colorado. My current location, I'm at like 7,400 feet roughly. So it's nice to see, and Denver actually got hit pretty good with snow too. But yeah, it's nice to see us and where we're going. Actually, we're going to be going there tomorrow. We're going to be out on the eastern plains. I heard they got almost a foot. So where we're going, I think this might look kind of cool with the snow. I want it to melt down a little just because I know it's going to probably be too much white snow. Might kind of hinder the look and the kind of style of this area, but still it's going to be we got a gorgeous day planned for tomorrow. But come with me while we get ready for some things for this unique hike. All right, now that we're filled up on gas, we're going to head back and get my pack ready for tomorrow. I got a couple things I want to load in there. We're going to be getting going pretty early because I want to try to catch it at sunrise. But I will see you back at the house when I'm getting everything loaded. All right, so we need to get a few things thrown in the trailer, or not in the trailer, in the 4Runner real quick because I'm not taking the trailer with me on this trip. So I need my warm clothes because I have a feeling tomorrow is going to be actually pretty cold, in the morning at least. There it is. Aha. Gotta be smarter than the door. So I need my hat, my clothes. Let's see, what else do I need? I need long johns. I think that's all I need. So this, and this. Yeah, it's weird kind of not taking the trailer out on this trip. I'm so used to going everywhere on the trailer, so I just had to grab some of my clothes that I needed. All right, so I got everything loaded for tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the morning. So we finally made it to our destination. As you can see, the sun is just starting to come up. We are in a kind of a unique area. As you can see, there's no mountains around me. We're actually going to head, let's see if I can get it in the camera. So you can see there's a bunch of windmills behind me. So there's actually a canyon sitting down right in all here that we're going to go explore. So we're actually going to go up to the other parking lot and work our way down in there, and I'll show you kind of what we have in store for today. Alright, so since there's a bunch of snow, I'm going to put my microspikes on. and then we'll get cruising down into that canyon. Ooh, it's cold this morning. That wind, it's the wind that's making it cold, but I'm gonna put on some gloves. I'm not gonna take my pack with me. This isn't like a super long hike. This is out on the, this is way out on the eastern plains. So I've been up and going since about 4:30 to get out here to hit the sunrise. But I'm all warm. Should be good to go. Once we drop down, the wind won't be too bad. All right, so we're on our way down to go check out. This is kind of a cool geological area. It's called the Paint Mines. It's out in the eastern part of Colorado, but it's a really pretty area. I've come here probably about 4 times, and I've never come after a big snowstorm, so I'm kind of curious to see what this all looks like. I'm the only one here. Not too many people know about this area. The locals know, but if you're ever traveling through Colorado, it is worth coming out and checking this area. It's just maybe about 1.5 miles. You can kind of explore all around and do some things. But yeah, it's for the most part, it's a neat little area. It's a hidden gem, I think. All right, we're getting a little closer. The wind is just viciously cold today. I don't know if you can see, my face is pretty red. The sun's out. I mean, it's not a cloud in the sky. So we got to our first little formation here. This is actually pretty cool. It's gonna get a lot better, so definitely bear with me. But look at this. That's pretty cool. We got into our first little formation. Look at some of the color on that rock. This is really pretty. And it's like you kind of going like your own little slot canyons in a way. It's this area is so cool, and actually I'm really liking it with the snow. But if you look, it's almost like see how it's almost like got a grain or a texture on it. It's kind of neat how that looks. And there's all kinds of different areas. You don't want to climb on them, but you can go in and explore kind of all in the little canyons, if you want to call it that. But yeah, this is like, here's one, see a little bit of the color. That's pretty neat. And then some of them just dead end, like this one. This doesn't go anywhere, but it's still really neat to see the formations. There's actually there's a lot more to see. We're actually going to keep going deeper in. Kind of a neat little spot right here. You kind of get yourself kind of closed in this neat little area. Oh man, I wish the sun would come out. It has got a chill in the air today. But yeah, it's real pretty with this snow. There's actually some rocks with some more color on them, and that's actually kind of where we're heading to next. So look at that. That's pretty neat. All that color right there. You can kind of see some red, kind of some pink, some yellow. It's pretty neat to see. We're trying to get to, there's a spot I was here last time, and it might be a little further up. And I'm trying to remember, honestly, where it's at. So look how pretty the color is on this rock. Man, this is real neat. So you can see all the colors starting to pop up in the sun. Pretty neat. And then all this is the paint mine, so there's a lot of pretty color all over in this area. I definitely like this area a lot. It's kind of a hidden spot. There's a lot of history here. On my way out, I'll grab some information for you guys so you can kind of see what it's all about. But we're gonna head over to the other side, which I gotta figure out how to get over there. So now we're into I think my favorite part of this whole area. This section of the paint mines, I think, is the most pretty, and it's the most, I don't know, it's a pretty spot right here. So let me show you guys what this looks like. Pretty cool. It's almost like we're kind of on Mars in a way, but we're not. The snow really adds some color to it. Colorado got hit with a big storm a couple days ago, and down on the Eastern Plains, there's definitely more snow here than at my house. I feel like they got probably a couple inches more, but it is making very pretty. Oh yeah, so we go kind of into this canyon, as you can see, and then if I remember correctly, this takes us to, it doesn't go anywhere, but it goes into a really cool view spot. So it's definitely worth checking out when you guys are out here. So we're going to kind of go through a little bit of a canyon here to get to this cool little spot. It's a good spot for kids. So if you guys got kids, definitely bring them out here. But this area, like you can kind of see, look at all the color in that rock. Man, look at this. This is probably the highlight of the spot right here. So let me see if I can get in here. If you guys ever come in the winter, make sure you put spikes on, as this trail is insanely icy. So I would recommend definitely getting spikes for sure. All right, so we made it in this little cave, as you can see. So we got like this little cave that we're gonna go into. It's kind of a neat little spot. Like I say, I think this is the best spot out of the whole trail. And this kind of goes in here, kind of neat. You can kind of see it, this kind of dead ends, but if you look behind me, we're kind of like in a little subway. Pretty cool. I think this is definitely a spot. Ooh, it's slick down here. I'm glad I put microspikes on, because if you look how icy everything is. But yeah, I'm really thankful for microspikes. I would not be able to get back in here without them. It doesn't really see any sun back here anyways. But it's God, what a neat spot. But see the color in the rock? See how there's like a orange yellow to purple to white? Really neat area. That's why they give it the name of the paint mines, because it's, well, looks like it's painted. So it makes sense to me. But yeah, it's real pretty. And like if you look right here, you can see kind of we're getting some purple. All right, so we have ourselves another nice little view spot of these paint mines. Look at the color. God, what a gorgeous day. So we're going into another canyon, but this area over here I think is my second favorite spot. And here's why. You kind of get some different colors. It's not as canyony, but you can kind of see all the, look at the color and all that. And it's actually got a little bit of a texture. So it almost acts, it's like I'm almost on Mars. I feel like Mars would look like this. And this is where I think if I was to ever go on Mars, this is what it would look like right there. See the color in that? So I feel like Mars would look something similar to that. But it's this really neat. It's like this area kind of reminds me of Goblin Valley in Utah, but on a much smaller scale. And I think this has a lot more color in it, because obviously Goblin Valley is just brown dirt, but it kind of reminds me of the dirt. Like here's a good example. See all the dirt, and then a rock is sitting up on top. So if you've ever been to Goblin Valley, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When it's just kind of rocks piled on dirt. Here's a little bit of some geology for you guys, or kind of get you some information there. Pause the video if you'd like to read all the way through it. So we made it back to the car. We're gonna go get ourselves some lunch. I know this really cool barbecue place. I've always liked their food, so we're gonna head there next. And I don't know where we're gonna go after that. I might stop and take the back way back to my house, and I want to check out a camp spot or a camping area that I'd like to maybe try to do in the next week or two. So we're probably gonna do that. But yeah, we're gonna go get some grub. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten, so we just made it to Rudy's. They have some of the best barbecue I've had in a long time. So Colorado, only place I know of a Rudy's is in Old Colorado City, and that's where I'm at currently. But yeah, if you guys are ever there, check out their barbecue. They got brisket, sausage, turkey, ribs, chicken, pork. It's all really good. So I'm gonna get some lunch in me, and then we're gonna head up the back way and go check out a new camp spot for hopefully next weekend. We made it to this camp spot. I've camped here years ago. Well, not in this exact spot, but kind of in a general area. This is actually a really nice spot right here. Check it out. It's a big open spot. I'm thinking about coming here next weekend. I know the snow will be melted down a little bit, but it's a nice wide spot that I can get the trailer in. And it's kind of secluded back here, which is nice. But you can tell someone kind of did a donut. But overall, it's actually a really nice spot to camp. And it's one I think I'd like to come in, and I can probably get the trailer either where I have the 4Runner or get it tucked up into here, which would be pretty nice. And then kind of have a nice little winter wonderland. This actually isn't a bad spot right here. I could actually dig this right here. So yeah, I think next weekend I will. Yeah, there, it looks like actually there's like a little hiking trail and some stuff up here. Just trying to see what's all over here. Yeah, it looks like there's a little spot you can camp, put a tent up over there. But it's a pretty little spot. So yeah, I think next weekend I am gonna look at coming over into this area. There's a lot of camping over here. I didn't realize there was this much over here. I think this coming in the short, I don't know, maybe 2 mile run I did, there was probably, I don't know, probably 10 camp spots probably. So, and they're all really big, so that's kind of nice I can get in and out real easy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna explore this a little bit more. I'm gonna check out some of the other camp spots, but I think this one actually might do really well. I like this spot right here, right by this tree. You got a little bit of some, it's melted pretty easy right here. So I can actually put the trailer in right here and have a nice little, somewhat of a dry spot. And I still have a really good view. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call this video right here. I'm gonna kind of finish exploring around, but I will see you in the next video.